Hey guys, Cat Kom here with Studio Sweat On Demand. I'm super excited to bring this short, about 20-minute Latin vibe ride to you. All you're gonna need to do this workout is your bike, water, and a hand towel. Let's go get our salsa on. All right, here we go, guys. Start to warm it up. Hi, Lynn. All right, here we go, guys. Off tempo. Don't worry about the beat. Just start to get those legs warm. We'll be doing about a 3-minute warm-up together. I like to warm up between 80 and 100 RPMs, just depending on the day. We're going to be doing some 3-minute drills today. I want yay for everything today. Yay! You does. It's going to be super fun. This music is amazing. Make sure you're riding with some resistance on, and that you are required to move the pedals. All right, let's take those hands to second. Tap it out on tempo. Left, 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 right, left. Drop to third. Should still be able to breathe in through your nose, out to your mouth. Or maybe even in and out of the nose. Can you do it, Quinn? Okay, close your mouth. Good. All right, we're gonna keep on tempo. Go ahead and bring it to second. Out of gear. You got this, riders. Drop to third. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Drop to third. Perfect. Bring it back to second. Relax your shoulders. Add another gear. Hold that tempo. We're right about 64. Okay. So we're going to come into our first drill. I want you to take it onto a hill, and it's going to be as simple as 30 seconds in the saddle, 30 seconds out of the saddle. Sound good? All right. Drop it down and set your gear at about 64 so that you're going about 64 RPMs. That way you're synced up with the music. Here we go. As far as the intensity level, should be about a 7 or maybe 8 on that scale of 1 to 10. Woo. I want you to feel that beat. Go ahead and put your body into it. There you go. Come on. It's our Latin vibe. Use it. Up and out in 3, 2, 1. Good. Can you add on a gear when you come out of the saddle? The answer is yes. Yes, I can. You got it. Come on, Linda. Sylvia from Mexico. Come on. Doesn't matter if you live in France. You're from Mexico. Woo! We're gonna go back to the saddle. Let's leave that gear on. Can we do that? Yeah. Down and dig. Woo. So this is our climbing drill. Next drill will be jumps, and then we'll get some speed going on. Hands either on first or second. Your option. Because we're only going 20 minutes, I'm gonna give you exactly 0 breaks. Sound good? Exactly 0. Up and out, here we go. Your ear's probably good. You can do a heart rate check. Thanks, Steve, finally. Joining us in that yellow zone. Can you feel it? Good dig. 3, 2, the saddle. Keep going. And if you know the words, you can sing them. Ahora. Come on. Turn it up. Here we go. Notice it's the same beat. Can you hear that? Woo. Are we feeling strong? Okay. I am. You feeling ready for this at home, riders? Come on. Up and out. Here we go. Those hips stay square, but there's no reason you can't let that body rock. Come on. Right, Jess? I'm ready for jumps. I'm curious if you're ready for jumps. That was 3 minutes, number 1. Here we go. Take it down. We jump in 4, 3, 2, 1. Minute 1, 8 count jumps. Lynn, out of here. Enough. Take it down. Hey, smile. There you go. 3, 2, 1, 8 count jumps. Go. I missed it, didn't I? Back up. Look who's human. 3, 2, 1. You're welcome for the extra 8 count out of the saddle. You're welcome. 3, 2, 1. I got distracted. Okay, coming into minute 2. Let's move it to a 4 count jump. Where is it, Jess? Take it down. And up. If you're right on beat with me, you should be able to count yourself. Right leg over the top. 2, 1, 4. Yeah, that's it. You guys are doing a great job staying over this saddle. 3, 2, you got it, Courtney. Now drop here. 3, 2, 1, come on. All right, for the last minute of this 3-minute set, we're gonna do 2 count jumps. But if those are a little quick of a transition for you, you can do a 4 count jump. It's totally up to you. But you at least gotta try it. 2 up, 2 down. Down, 2, jump, 2. Keep your shoulders loose. How you doing, Yvonne? How you doing, Michelle? I missed it. I gotta stop talking. Come on, Maria, you got this. Get it, Esther. Woo! Looks like most of you, whether you're in your living rooms or in the studio, chose to try the 2 counts. Huh, Robin? We've got about 1 million Robins out there. I'm talking to that one. And that one. You guys ready for speed? You've earned it. 1 more. Hold it down. Okay. Now drop your speed. Drop your gear and start to pick up speed. Hands on first. About 96 RPMs working flat. How many breaks are we taking? 0. 0. Nice round number. I figure you guys could remember that. Running flat. Come on. Good news. The music beats per minute are going to catch up to us. Give it a second. Hands on first or second, your choice. Run it out between 90 and 100 RPMs right here. Is this break time? No. This is a working flat. Keyword, working flat. Look. Taki, come on. 96, wanna use it? Feet dropped. Pick it up. There you go. Rumba. Come on. 20 seconds standing. Bring your hands to second. 4, 3, 2. Let's try it. You with me? Hit. Rumba. Come on. How we doing, guys? Woo. How we doing, guys? Woo. 3, 2, 1. Hold your feet in the saddle. I know. Feels so good. Just let it out, my healthy friends. We're gonna bring it up and out. This time, only 15 seconds. Can you do it? Hands out. There is only one answer. Yes, I can. Can you do it? Yes, I can. Rumba, go. Taki. You got it, Jess. 3, 2, 1, down. Look in front of you. You'll see a hill. We are about to repeat that set. Doesn't that sound fun? Starting with our climb. Remember, that's where we started. Right after warm-up, we went into that climb. 3, 2, 1. Okay, get some gear back on. 30 seconds here. So you're behind the beat. 60 to 70 RPMs. Boomba. Woo. Back to power in every pedal stroke. There you go. If you're over 70 RPMs, add some gear. Match my leg speed if you don't have a sensor. Up and out. Tap to the right. Add 1 gear. Don't worry, once again, the beat is going to catch up to us. Give it a second. Solid, down and dig. 30 seconds. Rumba. What's our cadence range here? Yep, 60 to 70. So we're climbing, coming out of that speed drill. 3, 2. Here we go. I told you, it's back. I took the opportunity to add a gear. I'm curious if you did. Jess, wanna feel it? Shoulder drop. If you don't wanna have fun, don't do this. It's fine, it's not for everyone. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Option 2. Take it to the tuck position. We're all in the saddle. Woo. Here we go, here we go. Is anyone sweating yet? It's only 20 minutes. Up and out, come on. Let's feel it. So strong, having so much fun here, guys. Woo. Up right here. Right back to the mid-60s. 3, 2, down and dig. 3, 2, looking good. Woo. Oh, we have 2 Shannons. Take it down. Come on, Bo. Dig it out, man. Nelly, how you doing? We're up, we're up. Dooney, take it down. Come on, Dooney. All right, let's move to 4 counts. Are you ready for it? Thumbs up. 3, 2, 1, weight drop. And we're up. Feel the power in those legs. You built that up or you're earning it right here. We're down. Use your muscles to transition. Take it down. 3, 2, 1, up. 3, 2, down. Look at those heart rates coming up. We've been going, right? It's warm. Down. Now, coming into the last minute of this one, where we do the 2 count jumps, there should only be red on the board. Okay, we're there. Let's go to 2 counts. In 2, 1, let's try it. 1, 2. Just breathe through it. It doesn't have to be really hard. So much of your strength is mental, not physical. And you can't have one without the other. You cannot truly be physically strong if you're not mentally strong. And you can't be mentally strong if you're not physically strong. Come on. Seconds, you guys. Then we get feedback. You know your old friend Speed? We're gonna salsa to that. Last one. Oh, right? Drop. Now this time, it's gonna be even faster. We're gonna try to push to 114. Now, shoot for the moon, land in the stars. I have no gear on right now. I'm gonna add gear until I feel stability. And then here I go. No hummingbird legs. This can't be easy. It has to be challenging at 114. I'm only asking you for 3 minutes. And here's what we're gonna do for fun. I'll call stand. When I call stand, you can use the half beat and come out of the saddle. Fair? Left, 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 right, left. We got this. Come on, Dooney. Stand. If you feel out of control or wobbly, Quinn, slow down. Half tempo. You should feel stable at 57. Let's go again. 3, 2, 1, take it down. Come on, don't be shy. Can you feel that beat? Can you drop your shoulder? Come on. You got it, you got it. Come on. Feel it, Nelly. Handstand. You guys, we've got 1 minute left, okay? Okay? Can we do this? Give me a thumbs up if you got this. Perfect, take it down. Gas pedal down, come on. This is it. Keep it centered, keep it stable. Optional, rock it out. Come on. I like to look at my shoulder, see it move. Just the legs, come on. You got it, Jess. 30 seconds, team. We got this, we got this, we got this. Shoulders. You don't have to do it, but it's really fun. 4, 3, 2, 1, center. 20 seconds. We're gonna count down together. 10, 9, 8. What? 3, louder. 1. Slow it down. Woo! Fun! Okay. How was that for 20 minutes of fun? Roll it out.
You know what it is. Come on, baby. You know what it is.
Good, good, good. Breathe.
Let's go to the crib. And if you want, you can bring your friends.
Now we're gonna do little shoulder shrugs to the front.
Come on, baby.
Like this. Shrug. Watch. Drop. How many feel like this? Last one. Okay, you guys, check it off. You got one done. Please make sure if you're riding at home that you take the time to cool down and stretch it out. Thank you for joining me.